I tried a plant-based diet for a week and the results were mind-blowing. You won't believe the incredible benefits I experienced. Did you know that animal agriculture is one of the leading causes of environmental destruction? Shockingly, it's responsible for a significant portion of greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation worldwide. Today, we're exploring the incredible benefits of adopting a plant-based diet. Not only is it a more sustainable choice for the planet, but it also offers a wide range of health advantages. When we consume a diet heavy in animal products, we contribute to various health issues and environmental concerns. From heart disease and obesity to water pollution and habitat destruction, the impact of our food choices is profound. Switching to a plant-based diet can bring about a multitude of positive changes. By focusing on whole plant foods, we can improve heart health, manage weight more effectively, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and cancer. Additionally, plant-based eating is more environmentally friendly, requiring fewer resources and producing fewer emissions. But here's the kicker. The benefits of a plant-based diet go beyond the expected health and environmental advantages. Many people report unexpected perks like clearer skin, increased energy levels, and even improved mood and mental clarity. In summary, embracing a plant-based diet not only benefits our personal health, but also plays a significant role in protecting the environment. By choosing more plant-based meals, we can make a positive impact on our own well-being and the world around us. I encourage you to try incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet and see how it makes you feel. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to make healthier and more sustainable choices together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you in the next video. For more information and recipes to start your new healthier life, check out the link in the description below.